Hello everyone, how you all doing? So it's your first time watching me in this video, like you've not even met me before, or you're new to my channel and you've not even seen the face behind this channel. Yeah, this is the face behind this channel, and it's good to have you here, guys. So my name is Blessing Chamak and I run this channel. So you all are welcome to my YouTube channel, and it's been amazing having you all around. I remember when I took this channel serious in May. Ever since then I've been getting so many, like, tons and tons and tons of feedback, and it's a feedback that actually that keeps me going in this channel, and I do not take it for granted. I really appreciate all of you for your likes, for your comments, for subscribing to my channel. At least my shouting and all those subscribe that are appearing on your screen is not in vain, right? So guys, thank you so much. Okay, so to my returning subscribers, yeah, thank you. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing some some tips on how to sell like a pro. Do you understand? Yes, how to sell like a pro. Like, who doesn't like money? Everybody likes money. Everybody loves to sell. Like, you're in business to make money, and if you don't know how to sell, you will continue to remain broke. Yeah, trust me, guys. If you don't know how to sell your market, if you don't know, you have a product and you don't know how to sell it, believe me, you continue to remain broke. Do you get me? So I've decided to, I see a lot of people complain, like, they don't know how to sell, and they have products, they don't know how to sell their products, like, people, all those complaints. So that's why I decided to give you guys some tips on how you can sell. To sell is not that difficult, but if you understand the strategies behind it, then you know that it's not that simple, but if you understand it, it's not difficult for you. Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So the first tip I'll be sharing with you all is what I'm sure you guys must have heard this particular tip I'm about to talk about right now. Most of you know it, but the thing is that we don't even carry it out, like we don't even practice it. So the number one tip is what? Marketing. I know that so many people are on this tip. Many people don't like marketing their product. See, the only way people can buy your product is what? Market. Please, guys, I don't know, I'm sure you guys will be hearing some funny sounds on this video. Please, just ignore the sound, okay? Number one tip is what? Marketing. Marketing, you need to know how to market your product. Because if you don't know how to market your product, nobody will buy it from you. Nobody will even know what you're selling. So the first one is what? Marketing. I keep on telling people that you are your own influencer. You are your own what? Influencer. You are your own what? Brand influencer. You're the only one that can tell people what your product look like. You're the only one that can tell people that your product is this, your product is that. You're the only one that can market it. You're the only one that can hawk your market, like carry it like a gala, like carry it on your head. You guys see the way all these hawkers do, sell their products on the streets, like on traffic and different places. You see all these old women, you see how they behave. That's the way you should also carry your market, like put it on your head, like shout it, announce, let the whole world hear that you're selling bag, let the whole world hear that you're selling cakes, let the whole world hear that you're selling shoes. Do you understand? Because that's the way people can buy what you're selling. If you don't shout it, if you don't announce it, you will just be there. Do you understand? So even if you're running your business online, you can also do the same thing as well. Make sure that you're consistent in whatever thing you're doing. Make sure that you're consistent in what? Selling your products. Because if you don't do that, believe me, you continue to remain broke. Many people don't like marketing. As many people don't like doing door-to-door marketing. They feel like it's so stressful. Yes, it's stressful, but if you don't do it, how can you make money? Nothing good in life comes easy. Success does not come easy. It comes with what? Hard work. It comes with what? Lots of sweat. And if you don't go through all this stress, there's no how you're able to make money. Success comes with what? Thinking, like a lot of thinking. So the ones that are successful today is because they have, they're already in the system already. They know how it is. Like, it took them time. So guys, the number one tip I'm trying to explain to you all is what? Market. Like, guys, market your product. I said it before, shout it, shout it. Let everybody at the back, or the front, or the top, let them know what you're selling. Because if they don't know what you're selling, like I said at the beginning of the video, you go continue to remain broke. You don't get money. Guys, but that's the plain truth here. Do you understand? Like I said, you're your own personal brand influencer. So guys, the tip here I'm talking about is what? Marketing. Is marketing. You see all these top brands, you see the way they, you see the way they pump money on adverts. I'm not trying to compare you guys with that of those top brands, but that's an example. Do you understand? That's an example to you. Coca-Cola, they never stop advertising. They never stop. In as much that their brands, is like it's all over the world, but they never stop advertising. They're always there. They're always trying to beat other brands. That's the same way what you should also do your own product like that. That's why you should also market your product. If you feel like you're shy, I'm sorry, shyness. Who shyness help? Do you understand me? Who shyness help? 2 weeks ago, I took my product to 2 weeks ago, I took my product to somewhere else to go and market it. And trust me, guys, I came back that day with cash, cool cash. Like I wasn't even expecting that cash. I took my products to somewhere to go and sell to people. As this year, anybody that wants to make money should not be shy to make money, because shyness will not help you. As a shyness will not even pay your bills. Shyness will not even put food on your table. Shyness will not even buy you the things that you need for your business. So if you're saying that you're shy to talk to people, you're shy to communicate with people, trust me, you continue to remain there. You continue to remain broke. You not even have money. You don't even have customers to buy from you. So guys, take away that shyness from you. Learn to speak out, because most of us, we don't know how to speak, and actually what's affecting us. So that 2 weeks ago, I took my products and I sold. I was taking it from shops. In fact, at the end of the day, I couldn't even believe what I was able to do. I went up with lots of products, and I came back with cash, cool cash. And you make me understand that, that if nobody knows what you're selling, you're not able to make money. So guys, number one tip is what? Marketing. Market people that are around you. Those ones that are around you, we call them what? The circle marketing. Before you start going to far places, try to sell your product to those that are within your vicinity. Do you understand? At least before you start, thinking of going far. So guys, marketing is very important. If there's nothing you've gained from this video, I want you to understand that you are your own brand influencer, and you're the only one that can market your product. You're the only one that can sell your product the way it is, so that you can able to make money. So guys, market the product. Okay, so now the second tip I want to share with you is trust. Before people have to buy your products, they need to trust you. They need to trust your brand. Especially if you're selling online, you don't just put out a product out there online then start selling. It's gonna be very difficult for you. So you need to build that trust, make people trust you. And how do you do that? You need to be consistently putting up your product out there online until they trust you. Then they can be able to buy from you. At the beginning, it's gonna be tough, but the more you keep doing it, see, in life, consistency brings success. Even if you're trying to lose weight, if you're not in that weight loss, if you're not even consistent about it, believe me, that weight loss is not going to be a goal. Like, it's not a goal because you are not consistent. So that's the same thing we are applying in our general lives. So make people to trust you. And how to do that? Build that trust with your customers, connect with them emotionally and physically. Do you understand? Most times that if you're an online-based business, most of the time you don't have to sell. I think you can connect with them, say good things about them, encourage them. All these things are strategies that you can use to sell. Do you understand? All these things, like giving them motivational posts, you talk to them, you encourage them. Like many people are always going on depression. At least a little words of encouragement can even help them. So if you keep on doing these things, like, your customers understand that you're the kind of person that that encourages people a lot. Believe me, they will trust you. You're building trust. The more you keep doing that thing, you're building trust. you're building trust. At the moment you get there, believe me, to sell your product will not be difficult. So guys, build trust. Connect with your customers physically and emotionally. Connect with them, engage with them. Okay. Number 2 is what? Trust. Build trust, and when you build that trust, to sell will not be difficult. And so guys, the third tip is what? Appreciation. Thank you. Yes, I know that most business owners always appreciate their customers by saying thank you to them, but do you back it up with action? That's one question you should ask yourself. Do you back your thank you with appreciation? If you're a baker and you're watching me right now, I do tell my I do tell people on my Instagram live that like now this is Christmas, guys. This is Christmas, so this is an opportunity for you to even what? Make your customers to stick to you. So if you have lots of customers that have been buying from you, like from the beginning of this 2020, and that they're loyal customers, this is the period for you to what? Get them something cute, like a gift, and give it to them. Appreciation goes a long way, guys. Like appreciation, in fact, that thing works like magic. And if you don't know how to do it, trust me, you will not understand it properly. So this is Christmas right now. Learn to appreciate your customers. Buy something cute. It mustn't be something big before you know that yes, you appreciate them. It could be ordinary teacup. It could be a mug. It could be a trophy, like something cute. All those customers that will be referring people to you, appreciate them. This is a very simple way to bring people to you, their customers, especially those people that are always sticking to your brand. A word of thank you, a thank you note, a thank you with action goes a long way. So if you have not ever appreciated your client before, you're the type that always say thank you without backing up with action, this is an opportunity for you. This is Christmas. We're in the Christmas season. Get something cute just to say thank you for sticking to our brand this year. We love you. Guys, when you do this thing, put a short note. I guarantee you that customer will definitely want to stick with you. Appreciate your customers. If you're a baker and you got new clients, how do you want that client to stay to stay with you as a new customer? You can even decide to give the customer a little cake. Do you understand? Probably the client bought a cake from you, bought 20,000 or so. You could decide to give the customer, if it's a love cake, small one, just to keep the customer to come back. If you're selling bags, you're selling shoes, and in that particular niche or industry, you can decide to give a customer something that will bring her back to you. It's just a matter of what, sitting down to think of what to give my customers. Like I said, this is Christmas. It's an opportunity for you to appreciate your customers for the things that have been buying from you. So if you've never for one day, give your customers something, please do it. Try it and see. You definitely won't come back to tell me thank you. It works like magic. It works like magic. So appreciate your clients. It should not be only word of mouth. You understand me? It should not be word of mouth. Appreciate them. Tell them thank you for for buying from you. Put sweet words like thank you for sticking to our brand this year. Without you, there will not be cakes by so person. Without you, there will be fashionable. Without you, there will be fashionista person. If you're selling bag, shoe, anything you're selling, put your brand name. Without you, there won't be this, there won't be that. You're making them feel special because clients, they love hype. If you don't hype them, believe me. In fact, I don't know what customers love you, that they love hype, and if you feel that they love it, why not hype them? Because that is the reason why you're in business, right? You hype your customers, tell them thank you for buying from us. Word of mouth is not a gun, but what? Back it up with action, okay? So guys, we come to the end of this video, and if you like this video, please kindly hit the like and subscribe. Besides, if you really want to know more about tips on how to sell, I have an ebook whereby I wrote everything about tips to sell, because I poured out my heart in this ebook. Do you get me? So this ebook talks about how to sell like a pro, and how to negotiate with your customers. Some of us don't even know how to negotiate with our customers properly. Some of us, we don't even know the strategies to sell. But in this ebook, I talked about, how to sell. This ebook you're seeing right here now, like this particular ebook, it explains on how to sell, like like a product you are, how to negotiate with your customers. It's all about the strategies to sell, because to sell has strategies. If you don't understand the strategy, believe me, you will not know how to sell. So, and if you are, I want you to get this ebook, because trust me, it's an amazing one. I've gotten so many feedback about this ebook, because people love to learn new things, and if you don't understand the process, believe me, you might be getting it wrong without you knowing. So I have a link on this video. Check on the description of this video, and then check on the comment section. I'm going to pin the link there, so that if you're interested, just click on the link and then let me know that you're interested, so that you can buy the book. It's very, very affordable. You can pay in dollars, you can pay in naira. If anywhere you are in the world, you can make payment for the ebook. Trust me, guys, if you don't know how to sell, if you're having issues with selling, this ebook will definitely help you. Okay, just click on the link to talk to me, to chat me up. Okay, the book is still right here. It talks about how to sell, it talks about the strategies to sell and how to negotiate. If you're trying to negotiate with your customer, it's a skill. Do you understand? Negotiating with customers is a skill on its own, and if you don't know it, believe me, you don't know it. So please click on the link to get your own copy, and trust me, the copy is very affordable. It's super affordable. Okay, so guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Please, if you do enjoy the tips I just really shared with you, kindly hit the like button and click on the subscribe button to get videos when I upload. I upload videos every week here on my channel, and continue to sub. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Just click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, guys, like a thumbs up, because I know that you enjoy watching this video, and I know that you got 1 or 2 lessons. Okay, so guys, thanks so much for your support on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. So ciao, bye guys.